everyone. Welcome to Achievement House Cyber Charter School. This video is created to help you feel comfortable with your new school issued laptop. I am logged in today to our demo student account for Johnny Appleseed. We're going to get started with walking through the taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Then we'll move on to take a look at the Start menu, navigating Microsoft Edge, and a quick look at Office 365. So first, to get started, if you go look at the bottom of your screen, you also have a taskbar. It's a series of icons centered in the middle. And if you just move down the row, some of these may look familiar from the orientation session of the first day, but we'll just take a look at them here now. You'll notice that there is the Start menu here with the four blue squares, a search magnifying glass. You'll have your File Explorer, Microsoft Edge, the snipping tool, sticky notes, a calculator, and then jumping over to our tools, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, OneNote, and Teams. You'll even notice down on the taskbar in the right corner, you're going to notice the date and time, and as well as your Wi-Fi levels and volume. So let's jump back over here to the beginning of the taskbar to the Start menu icon. This is important because when you click on this, you'll have pinned some frequent apps, maybe some recent files. But look down here on the bottom right corner. This is your power button. This is the easiest way to put your laptop to sleep if you're going to step away, to do a full shutdown, which is highly recommended at the end of the school day, or if you need to do a quick restart, maybe things aren't moving so quickly. So that is the Start menu. All right, the next thing that we're going to focus on is getting onto the internet using Microsoft Edge. On the left side of your laptop, you'll notice there is a blue wave icon with the words Microsoft Edge. Go ahead and double click that. It will open up for you. If it's not full size and you wish it to be, just click this little square on the top right. Now, though we have gone onto the internet, we have not yet taken our attendance. We are not officially inside Schoology. So let me show you how to do that important step. On the top left-hand side, notice it says Student Bookmarks. We're going to give that a click. Down to where it says Schoology, give that a click. There might be times where Schoology prompts you to put your username and password in. Go ahead and do that. Other times it will open up automatically. Either way, as soon as you get on there, double check on the top right, you've got your name. That means your attendance was just taken. Now it's time to do something in Schoology. Go ahead and watch a class, watch a recording, do an assignment, contact a teacher. All of those things just confirm that you attended school today. Plus, it's a great habit to take advantage of doing the assignments that are posted for you each day. You'll be getting a to-do list here on recent activity. You could head up to the calendar that will list the today's assignments for you. So that was how we got logged into Schoology using Edge to take attendance. All right, everyone. In this segment of the video, we're going to take a look at navigating Edge. You will notice that on the top of the screen on the left, you have one tab open. It says Home and Schoology. Now you would like to check your email. I would suggest going ahead to click the plus sign to get a new tab. Notice you have that white Microsoft screen. You can go over here to the left, click Student Bookmarks, go down to Email. Now your email is open on this tab. Looks like Johnny got an email from Mrs. Gazillo. If you want to go back over to the course page, you can just click this tab here. It's as simple as clicking each tab to go back and forth. Go into courses and Launchpad. Maybe it's time to go to a live class. You can click that link here. Some students like to have the live class link open in one tab and the homework in another. That's as simple as heading back up. Let's open up another tab. We'll click the plus sign. Head back over to Student Bookmarks in Schoology. We'll go to Courses and the courses that you want to open up the homework. Scroll down. Let's say you want to open up the Microsoft Tools lesson. Compose an email. Give that a click. So now you have open the assignment. Perhaps the teacher is going over it in class and you want to look at it on your screen. Now you can click between the live class in one tab and the assignment in the other tab. But just watch out, you can have a lot of tabs open. For example, if you're all done with email, you can go ahead and just click that X. That just closes the one tab out. If you're completely done Edge for the day, head over here to the top right and click X. That'll take you back to your desktop screen. And remember, at the end of the school day, you want to shut down. And so you'll just remember, go back to that start menu, look for your power button, and shut down. Thanks everyone for watching this video. And if you have any questions about navigating on your new laptop, please reach out to a teacher. We're happy to assist.